Hello students. I don't know if you remember way back to the first week of class when I handed out those little green skill builder journals. Well, this week we're going to give you the opportunity to actually complete a skill certification that you can add to that journal. We've been studying digital marketing, and so we're going to give you the opportunity to build your skills in the area of digital marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, or mobile marketing. I'm going to provide two organizations from whom you can obtain a skill certification. One is Allison, and if you just go to allison.com, you'll get this screen. And then what you want to do is look at the course categories, marketing, and then we want to focus specifically on social media marketing or digital marketing from these platforms. As you will see, Allison offers many different marketing courses, but again, I'd like us to focus on social media or digital marketing. So if you click on social media marketing, it brings up their top 3 classes. Again, you can pick any course that you want, but what I'm looking for when you click on more information on these classes, I want to make sure that 1, the course has an assessment, and 2, that you will be able to get a certification, because proof that you've completed the assignment is going to be that you submit a screenshot of either the certification or of the assessment where you got a score of 70% or higher. Now, to see this information and to take the course and the assessment and obtain the certification, you are going to need to create an account. It does not cost you anything, and I only want you to look at taking the free courses. I don't want you to take any of the courses where they charge you money. But you will set up an account with a login, and that will allow you to access all of these different courses. Let's take a look at the digital marketing offerings. Click on digital marketing. And let's say that you're really interested in YouTube marketing. You can click on that more information, and yes, there is an assessment, yes, there is a certification. So if you decide to start that course, just click on the start, and it will bring up ads that you have to watch for the free version, but then once the ad has been on for 5 seconds, you'll be able to start the topic. If you click remove the ads, it's going to want to charge you, so you don't want to do that. And then you just make your way through each of the modules. There are videos, there's reading, and then when you get to the very end, there'll be the assessment that you can take, and you can take it multiple times, but you want to take it so that you get a score of at least 70% or you earn the certification. Again, take a print screen of your exam score or the certification if you earn that. The other provider you can choose to use for the assignment is HubSpot. You can go to HubSpot.com, and then under resources, free courses and certifications. And once again, you'll need to sign up for free courses so that you'll be able to access them. And down here, you want to click on show only certification courses. Under categories, we're going to want to look at the marketing classes, and then content marketing would be fine, email marketing, social media, or web design. Any of those categories would be fine for this assignment. So once we have that, it will bring up the courses, and again, you can choose whatever you would like, and at the end, either print out or get a screenshot of your certification or your final assessment score of 70% or higher, and submit that to Moodle, and you will earn all of the points for the assignment.